Our planet Earth is a dynamic place. Beneath our feet, a hidden world churns. Giant pieces of Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, are always on the move. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle, but the pieces are constantly bumping and grinding against each other. That's what's happening beneath us. These plates move very slowly, about as fast as your fingernails grow. But this slow dance has shaped our planet over millions of years, creating mountains, oceans, and even earthquakes. Sometimes these massive plates get stuck as they move past each other. Pressure builds up like air in a bicycle tire. When the pressure becomes too great, the plates suddenly slip. This sudden release of energy sends shockwaves through the Earth. We feel these shockwaves as earthquakes. The ground shakes, buildings sway, and sometimes the Earth's surface cracks open. Earthquakes are a powerful reminder of the immense forces at work beneath our feet. Earthquakes are often associated with destruction, but they also play a surprising role in creating something precious: gold. Deep within the Earth's crust, where tectonic plates collide, incredible heat and pressure exist. These extreme conditions can melt rocks and create a hot, mineral-rich fluid. This fluid, often containing tiny gold particles, flows through cracks and spaces in the Earth's crust. These cracks, called fault lines, are often associated with earthquakes. As this gold-carrying fluid rises through fault lines, it encounters cooler temperatures and lower pressure. This change in conditions causes the gold to precipitate out of the fluid, much like sugar crystallizing out of a cooling syrup. Over time, these tiny gold deposits can accumulate and form veins of gold ore. These veins can be incredibly rich in gold, making them prime targets for gold mining. The link between earthquakes and gold is not just a theory, it's a geological reality. Some of the world's largest and most productive gold deposits are found in areas with high seismic activity. For example, the California gold rush of the 1850s, which drew thousands of prospectors to the American West, was a direct result of gold deposits formed by ancient earthquakes along the San Andreas Fault. California, a land of dreams and opportunities, has a rich history intertwined with natural wonders and geological phenomena. The San Andreas Fault, a massive crack in the Earth's crust that runs for hundreds of miles through California, is a prime example of how earthquakes can create gold. This fault line is not just a geological feature, it is a dynamic force that has shaped the landscape and history of California in profound ways. Millions of years ago, earthquakes along this fault created pathways for gold-carrying fluids to rise from deep within the Earth. These seismic activities caused fractures and fissures in the Earth's crust, allowing mineral-rich fluids to ascend. As these fluids moved upward, they cooled and deposited gold in the cracks and crevices of the rock formations. These fluids deposited gold in veins throughout the Sierra Nevada mountains, eventually leading to the discovery of gold nuggets in rivers and streams, sparking the California gold rush. The rush for gold brought thousands of prospectors to California, transforming it from a quiet, sparsely populated region into a bustling hub of activity. The impact of this gold rush was immense, leading to rapid population growth, economic development, and the eventual statehood of California. The legacy of the gold rush can still be seen today in the many ghost towns, historic sites and museums that dot the landscape, preserving the stories of those who sought their fortunes in the golden hills of California. This is a place where the Earth's most dynamic and powerful forces come together to create something truly extraordinary. Another striking example is the Ring of Fire, a zone of intense volcanic and earthquake activity that encircles the Pacific Ocean. This region is a hotbed of geological activity, with tectonic plates constantly shifting and colliding, leading to frequent and often devastating natural events. This region is home to some of the world's richest gold deposits, including those in the Andes Mountains of South America. The Andes, with their towering peaks and rugged terrain, have been a source of fascination and wealth for centuries. Gold miners have long sought the treasures hidden within these mountains, driven by the promise of fortune, and the islands of Indonesia. These islands, scattered across the vast expanse of the Pacific, are not only known for their stunning beauty, but also for their rich mineral resources. Gold mining in Indonesia has a long history, with ancient civilizations having mined these lands for their precious metals. The frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions in this region create ideal conditions for gold formation. The intense heat and pressure from these geological events cause gold to be released from deep within the Earth's crust, where it then travels through cracks and fissures to form rich veins of gold, constantly replenishing the supply of gold-rich fluids deep within the Earth. This continuous process ensures that the Ring of Fire remains one of the most prolific gold-producing regions in the world. The interplay of natural forces here not only shapes the landscape, but also creates opportunities for those daring enough to seek out its hidden treasures. Understanding the link between earthquakes and gold has important implications for the future of gold mining. By studying earthquake zones and fault lines, geologists can better predict where new gold deposits might be found. This knowledge could lead to more targeted and efficient gold exploration, potentially uncovering hidden treasures in some of the Earth's most seismically active regions. The relationship between earthquakes and gold goes beyond simple geology. It speaks to the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Earthquakes, often seen as destructive forces, are also creators, shaping the Earth's surface and concentrating precious resources. The gold we value so highly, often seen as a symbol of wealth and prosperity, is a product of the immense forces that drive our planet's evolution. The discovery that earthquakes can create gold raises an intriguing question. What other treasures lie hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be unearthed by the Earth's powerful forces? Perhaps there are other valuable minerals and resources yet unknown that are concentrated by earthquakes and volcanic activity. As we continue to explore our planet and unravel its mysteries, we may find that the Earth's most destructive forces are also its most generous providers. Beyond minerals and metals, the ground beneath us may also hold remnants of ancient civilizations long lost to time. Underwater, the ocean floor hides shipwrecks and sunken cities, preserving history in its depths. With advanced technology, scientists can now analyze core samples and uncover microscopic minerals that tell the story of our planet's past. The energy stored within the Earth, such as geothermal energy, offers sustainable solutions for our future, harnessing the planet's natural heat. As we look to the stars, the techniques we develop for exploring our own planet may one day help us uncover the hidden treasures of other worlds. The Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Each tremor, each eruption brings us closer to understanding the vast and intricate tapestry of our world. United in our quest for knowledge, humanity continues to dig deeper, driven by curiosity and the promise of what else lies beneath. The next time you hold a piece of gold jewelry or a gold coin, remember its incredible journey. It's a journey that began deep within the Earth, forged by intense heat, immense pressure, and the awesome power of earthquakes. Gold, a symbol of value and beauty, is a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped our planet for billions of years. It's a golden legacy, forged by Earth's fury.